Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset the AE error code on an LG dishwasher in 2026. Now, the AE code usually means the dishwasher detected a water leak or too much water inside the base. So this safety feature is going to stop the machine to prevent the flooding. In order to fix it, first of all, you need to turn the dishwasher off using the power button. After that, we need to clear the water sensor. For that, simply open the dishwasher door carefully and pull the bottom rack out. Look at the bottom of the dishwasher tub for standing water. If you see the water, simply soak it using the towel or the sponge. Now tilt the dishwasher slightly forward. Sometimes the water gets tapped underneath in the safety tray. So tilting is going to help drain it out. Let any water drip out onto a towel and leave the dishwasher off for about 10 minutes. So remember the timing, okay? It's 10 minutes. So this allow the sensor to reset completely. After that, simply turn on the dishwasher back and start a short cycle. The AE code comes back quickly. There may be an actual leak from the house or door seal that needs repair. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.